You know, one of the biggest challenges of any beginning woodworker is how to drill a straight hole. Because a lot of times you're looking down at it, but from your perspective, it looks like you're going straight in and you're at a 90-degree angle. But your drill may be angled one way or the other, and you can't see that from your perspective. So you may want to look around, but still, it's not going to be spot on. Well, here are two jigs that may help you out. Now, this jig is called a drill guide. This one ranges from 1/2 inch to 1/8 of an inch in 1/8 of an inch increments. How they work is that collar is hardened metal. You're not wearing away the hardened metal. It is letting you go into the wood. Place your drill guide flat on the board and then place your drill bit in that hole of that size bit. And that's a straight hole. But this Kreg drill guide also allows you to drill on the edge. So it's got a little tiered step for 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch stock. So if you need to drill a straight hole through the edge of a board, again, put your drill guide on the edge of the board, hold it flat, and then put your drill bit in that guide. And that's a straight hole. This one ranges from 3/8 to 1/8 in 1/64 of an inch increments. Now there are two advantages that this model has that the Kreg jig doesn't have. That is, you can drill down into the corner. So now I'm going to find the 1/8 of an inch that's on the far end. I'm going to put this right on the corner, and I'm going to drill straight into the corner. Just like that. So here's another feature. With the angle on the bottom of this, I can put a dowel in the middle of that, and I can drill straight down through the dowel. Use my 1/8 of an inch bit again, drilling straight down. And that exactly bisects that dowel. So if you're looking for a quicker, easier way to drill straight holes, check out these drill guides. I'll have a link in the description.